Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out why Claude code isn't working for you. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why Claude code might not be working for you could be some sort of technicality issue. You might want to make sure you installed it properly. So if you're able to go through and go back and just kind of double check your installation within Claude, you might want to go and see that you installed it properly, because sometimes you may have not installed it, one-to-one, and that might be the first issue I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now you can also do it on the website portion as well. So if you're using it via the website, the web app, via the subscription, well then you also just want to double check that you're doing it perfectly fine, that you're using it, as it should be. Now, another thing, double check your internet connection. Sometimes your internet connection might just fall out or go faulty sometimes. So you might have to go through, just double check your Wi-Fi connection and just make sure that there's not an issue with your Wi-Fi. If there's an issue with your Wi-Fi, you're gonna basically have to just go through and just have them kind of fix it, have them kind of address it, and then after that, that should end up fixing the problem for you as well. Another thing, if you're writing into Claude and let's say your prompt isn't that great, well that's also gonna cause some issues there. So you're also gonna have to go through, double check your particular Claude, double check your environment, and just make sure everything is set up properly. If that's still not working, try restarting your device, and that could be another really easy thing to fix it. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.